Today, we're diving into a topic that can be a roller coaster of emotions: tax audits. But don't worry, we're here to guide you through this complex journey. Hello, everyone. Welcome to Wealth Creation Gents, a personal finance channel focusing on financial intelligence. 1. Understanding tax audits. Let's start by understanding what a tax audit is. It's essentially an examination of your financial information and records by the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, or relevant tax authorities. The aim is to ensure accuracy and compliance with tax laws. Not all audits are the same, so let's explore the importance of tax audit help. 1A. The importance of tax audit help. Tax audit help isn't just an optional service, it can make a world of difference. Tax laws are complex, and financial documentation can quickly become overwhelming. This is where a seasoned tax professional comes into play. 2. Signs you might need tax audit assistance. How do you know if you need tax audit help? There are several telltale signs, such as red flags in your financial records or tax returns. Let's delve into these signs, starting with overestimating charitable contributions. 2A. Overestimating charitable contributions. Donating to charity is great, and it can earn you deductions. But overestimating their value can raise red flags. The IRS generally expects valuations between 1% and 30% of the original purchase price. Ensure you have appraisals for items exceeding $5,000. 2B. Math errors. Basic math errors frequently trigger audits. Ensure accuracy when completing your tax return and double-check calculations for capital gains, interest, taxes, and credits. 2C. Failing to sign the return. Don't forget to sign your return. Unsigned returns can invite additional scrutiny and penalties. If you hire help, ensure they have a valid Preparer Tax Identification Number, PTIN, and sign accordingly. 2D. Underreporting income. Report all earnings, whether from work or asset sales, to the IRS. Failure to do so can lead to back taxes, penalties, and interest. 2E. High home office deductions. Claiming excessive home office deductions, such as full monthly rent, can raise suspicions. Calculate the precise space used for work and its related expenses. 2F. Income thresholds. Earning over $1 million annually increases audit odds. Typical taxpayers reporting less than $200,000 face lower audit probabilities. 2G. Limited partnerships, trusts, and tax shelters. Participating in limited partnerships, managing trusts, or engaging in tax shelter investments can lead to increased scrutiny due to the complexity of financial arrangements. 3. Benefits of seeking professional tax audit help. Now that we've discussed the signs, let's explore the benefits of seeking professional tax audit help. Expertise and experience play a crucial role in navigating audits. 3A. Expertise and experience. Tax laws are intricate and ever-evolving. Professionals are well-versed in tax codes and regulations, ensuring accurate responses to IRS inquiries and legal compliance. 3B. Minimizing errors and penalties. Tax professionals meticulously review your documentation, reducing the likelihood of mistakes that trigger penalties. This saves you not only from penalties but also from the time-consuming process of correcting errors after the audit. 3C. Stress reduction. Facing an audit can be stressful. Professionals handle communications with the IRS, allowing you to focus on your daily life without the constant worry of navigating the audit process alone. 4. Choosing the right tax audit professional. Selecting the right tax audit professional is crucial. Let's explore the factors to consider when making this important decision. 4A. Research and recommendations. Start with thorough research and seek recommendations from those who have undergone tax audits. Online resources and reviews can provide insights into a professional's expertise. 4B. Credentials and reviews. Look for certified professionals like CPAs, enrolled agents, or tax attorneys. Online reviews offer valuable insights into a professional's effectiveness and communication skills. 5. Steps to take when facing a tax audit. Facing a tax audit requires preparation and effective communication. Let's go over the essential steps to help you navigate this process confidently. 5A. Gather documentation. Before your audit, gather all relevant financial documents, receipts, and records. Organize them meticulously to simplify the audit process. 5B. Cooperate with the auditor. Maintain a cooperative and respectful attitude when interacting with the auditor. Respond promptly to requests for information and seek extensions if needed. 5C. Presenting your case. During the audit, explain your sources of income, deductions, and financial transactions clearly. Use clear explanations and back them up with documentation. 6. Common mistakes to avoid during a tax audit. Avoiding common mistakes is crucial for a successful audit. Let's explore these pitfalls and how to steer clear of them. 6A. Hiding information. Transparency is paramount. Attempting to hide information or provide false documentation can have serious consequences. Embrace an open and honest approach. 6B. Guesswork and estimates. Provide accurate, well-supported information. Guessing or estimating figures can lead to misunderstandings and suspicions. 6C. Lack of preparation. Preparation is key. Thoroughly review your tax return, identify areas of concern, and gather all relevant documents to avoid confusion. 7. DIY versus professional help. Pros and cons. Deciding between a DIY approach and professional help is a pivotal choice. Let's weigh the pros and cons of each. 7A. Do-it-yourself approach. Pros include cost savings and maintaining control, but cons include limited expertise and increased risk of errors. 7B. Professional tax help. Pros include expertise, accuracy, and strategic guidance, but cons include associated costs and less control. In conclusion, seeking professional tax audit help is a wise decision. It's not about admitting fault. It's about ensuring you have the right resources to address potential discrepancies confidently. Thank you for watching. If you found this video valuable, please subscribe, like, comment, and share. For more in-depth information, click the link below to read the free article on the Wealth Creation Gents website.